Hey, so if you want to create animations where the character's mouth actually matches the voice, you can do it pretty easily using Dola AI. In this video, I'll show you the full process step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the character animation or AI video tool. This is where you'll create voice-synced animations. Now, select a character from the library, or upload your own image if you want something custom. Next, add your script or voice audio. You can type your dialogue and let AI generate the voice or upload your own recording. Then turn on voice synchronization. This is what makes the character's mouth movements match the speech automatically. Now click Generate. The AI will animate your character and sync every movement with the voice. Next, you can fine-tune expressions, timing and movement to make it look more natural. Finally, preview your animation. If everything looks good, export the video in high quality. So, yeah, that's how you can create voice-synced animations using Dola AI. It's a simple way to bring characters to life without complex editing. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Hey, so if